Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making some chicken foot sauce. In this pressure here, there's 4 pounds of chicken foot. Wash, season it up, and it's on pressure to boil. Well, it's almost finished boiling. It still needs a couple more minutes to boil. Alright, the ingredients I'm going to be using is Marie pepper. It cut up like a cartwheel, along with the onion, cilantro. This is celery cut up. This is 2.5 lime juice, squeeze, grated carrots, sliced cucumber. All right. I'm gonna cover this pressure this thing down, and I'm gonna leave it for boil for another 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna take it out. Okay. So now I'm gonna add the lemon juice because it's already in a bowl. So I'm gonna add the lemon juice. Then I'm gonna add the carrots. Now when it's too hot and you add the rest of the stuff inside, it's gonna cook it, all right, because it's hot. So you have to let it cool down a little in order for you to put the other ingredients, which is the celery, the pepper. You have to wait for another 5 minutes before you could able to add anything else inside of here. Some scallion, all right. So I'm going to be back when it cooled down a little. So I'm going to add the scallion. Some of these celery sticks. I guess a little bit of decoration. The onions. And this is the Marie pepper and the cilantro. This is chicken foot sauce. This is when it comes to end. This is what it look like. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Chicken foot sauce, Guyanese style. Alright? Let me taste one. Use your fingers and eat it. Tastes good. Try it, guys. And the pepper spicy. Guyanese sauce. Tasty. And the juice is very good to drink also, because all the nutrients, or whatever you call it, is in the broth. This very good to drink. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Chicken foot sauce, Guyanese style. Thank you. Thanks to all my subscribers, all my viewers. Thanks for all your comments, your encouragement. Thank you, thank you, thank you.